Okay, welcome to day 6. So I've actually decided to switch up the format a little bit, and I'm going to be covering a couple topics that are important to search engine optimization. And for anybody that started this series, I want to make sure I cover some of these basic topics so you can understand some of the conversation a little bit later on down the road. And the first topic I want to talk about is what's known as PageRank. And basically what PageRank is, it's a numeric value from 0 to 10 that rates the authority of a site. So a 0 is you have no authority, and 10 is you have the ultimate authority, or your Google.com. And Google weights basically a link from a site with a higher page rank or a higher PR counts more in the Google system than a link that's lower down. And there is some debate about whether or not this is valid or not, but for the most part, most people tend to think that it is, and they do count it. And what's interesting is sometimes people get very confused, and they think that PageRank is linear when in fact it's logarithmic. And what does that mean? Well, it means that some people may think that 2 links from a PageRank 1 is the same as 1 link from a PageRank 2, and that's not the case. There is some debate, but most people tend to think that the logarithmic scale is on a factor of 8. So in other words, 1 vote from a PageRank 1 site is, or I'm sorry, 1 vote from a PageRank 2 site is the same as having 8 votes from a PageRank 1 site. So as you can see, if you start off at 1 times 8, and then 8 times 8, and 8 times 8 times 8, and 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, you can see the power of how much more effective it is if you can get 1 link from a PageRank, say 5 or 6, versus a couple thousand links from a PageRank 1 site. And that may be why when you look at different sites and you see, well, gosh, this guy doesn't have hardly links at all. Why is he ranking in the search engines? It's probably because the link comes from a high page ranking site or a very important site. So when thinking about search engine optimization, oftentimes PageRank is extremely important. So if you can get a link from a site with a high page rank, that's often considered a very, very good thing. To follow up with PageRank, not only is it about the page rank of the page. Now this is also important. It's not about the page rank of the site. Every single page has its own page rank. So you need to make sure that just because the home page of a site has a page rank, the link where your link is placed on the page within the site is really what counts. So that's an important thing that people often get confused about. And the third part of that is the other number of links you're sharing that page rank with. So let's say you've got a site that has a page rank 5, but there are 1,000 other links on that page. Well, the value of that link is diluted because there's lots of other links on the page. Now, if there's a page rank 5 page and there's only 1 or 2 other links on it, well then that's going to be very, very good for you, because you're going to pass, a lot of that page rank is going to pass to you. So in summary, PageRank, it's a numeric value from 0 to 10 assigned by Google that indicates a level of authority. It's a logarithmic scale. Some people think on a factor of about 8. PageRank is determined by page, not by site. And lastly, PageRank is shared. So the more links that are on a page, the more that PageRank is dispersed to those different sites.